One really helpful way to keep your marketing team aligned on when product is expected to arrive from your factories is to keep everything in the Marklo calendar by uploading ex-factory dates and your warehouse ETA dates into your calendar. So example, if you have it in a spreadsheet, something like this, you can download it as a CSV, head over to Ask Marklo and upload it as a spreadsheet into the chat. And you can say here, please add the X factory dates and warehouse ETA dates into the calendar as events with all relevant info, and then let Marklo do its thing. And it's going to add it into your calendar so that everyone using the Marklo platform can see in one place when items are expected to arrive. And you can actually also move them around in your calendar and keep everyone up to date. And now Marklo has added in 40 events to my calendar with all the X factory dates. And you can just hover over and see all the information there. If anything changes, you can easily move these around. Like if you're getting word that shipping is delayed, all that can be organized in Marklo. So there you go. One way to keep your entire team organized and on the same page about all the X factory dates.